Guess what? Hyundai Motor Company, ranked 3rd in global car sales, recently installed Optima Steamer machines in 12 of the Hyundai Motor Company delivery centers in South Korea. Even though they already had automatic car washes and high-pressure washers, they still needed something more. Sometimes, just before a car is shipped out, they notice little things like water spots or dust that the regular washes miss. Using the big machines again was a hassle and could leave more water spots, so they were looking for a better solution. They needed a cleaning method that was easy, can clean just small areas, and finish the job neatly. Here's the deal. The solution they picked was the Optima Steamer steam cleaning machine. This machine is pretty cool because it uses powerful superheated steam to get rid of dirt super fast. It only uses a little of water and no harsh chemicals, which means no messy wastewater. Plus, it's really easy to do maintenance. When it is time to replace a part, a notification appears on the LCD screen, and the structure is simple so anyone can easily replace it. So, why was this steam car wash machine the perfect fit? It can finish cleaning the car's exteriors in just 5 minutes right before it gets shipped. This quick final touch is exactly why Hyundai Motor Company decided to go with the Optima Steamer. Now, the Optima Steamer is in charge of the final step of shipping cars at Hyundai Motors delivery centers everywhere. It helps make sure the cars are shipped with top-notch quality.